small village nestled in the municipality of Favaios in Portugal's Douro Valley, is one of the country's most iconic wine-producing regions. Surrounded by rolling hills and terraced vineyards, it is best known for its celebrated Moscatel de Favaios, a fortified wine crafted from the Moscatel Gallego Branco grape. This grape variety thrives in the unique microclimate of the Douro, where hot summers, cold winters, and schist-rich soils create ideal conditions for aromatic, expressive wines. Favaios +1. The vineyards of Favaios stretch across the high plateaus of the Douro, offering a landscape that is both dramatic and serene. Unlike the steep terraces typical of the central Douro, the Favaios plateau provides more open, gently sloping terrain. This allows for consistent sun exposure and excellent drainage, two factors that contribute to the intense sweetness and floral character of the Moscatel grape. Generations of growers have cultivated these vineyards, many of them small family plots passed down through centuries, reflecting a deep cultural connection to the land. At the heart of the region's wine culture is the Adega Cooperativa de Favaios, founded in 1952 and now one of Portugal's most respected cooperatives. With more than 500 member growers, the cooperative blends tradition with modern winemaking techniques to produce the region's signature Moscatel wine. Winetourism.com. The winemaking process begins with hand-harvested grapes, which are gently pressed to extract their intensely aromatic must. Fermentation is halted early through the addition of grape spirit, preserving the natural sweetness and floral notes that define Moscatel de Favaios. The resulting wine is golden, fragrant, and richly textured. Aromas of orange blossom, honey, apricot, and citrus peel rise from the glass, while the palate offers a harmonious balance of sweetness and freshness. Some versions are aged in oak, developing deeper notes of caramel, dried fruit, and spice. Whether enjoyed chilled as an aperitif or paired with desserts, Moscatel de Favaios is celebrated for its versatility and elegance. Beyond the wine itself, the vineyards of Favaios are part of a broader cultural landscape. The village is known not only for its wine, but also for its traditional beyond the wine itself. The vineyards of Favaios are part of a broader cultural landscape. The village is known not only for its wine, but also for its traditional four-cornered bread, baked in wood-fired ovens and often enjoyed alongside local wines. Baked in wood-fired ovens and often enjoyed alongside local wines.